how to use the law of assumption to help you in your healing journey. So essentially, every single second of the day, we are manifesting. What you hold in your mind, what you believe to be true, is what's manifesting in the real world. Essentially, the body has no free will, just the mind or imagination does. So today's present reality was yesterday's imagination, and it continues that way. Okay, so if you're going through a pain and you would like to use your spirituality or your imagining to help you get better, you have to imagine yourself as healthy. Let's say you had knee pain. If you had the assumption that you had knee pain, your knee pain is going to persist. If you made the mental assumption or you visualize yourself having no knee pain, the knee pain will go away. Okay, the body will follow a natural sequence of events that will ensure the knee pain goes away. You will find the right detox protocol. You will find the right herbs. You will the pain will just go away by natural means and laws. Okay, but knowing what you want is essential, and what you make assumption of is essential. So when you wake up in the morning and you have bad knees, in your mind, make an affirmation like this: I have healthy knees. I have strong, healthy knees. And always hold that thought in your mind. And it's an assumption, so it's true to you, even though your present physical attributes tell you it is not. If you hold that assumption and believe it to be true, it will manifest as you having no knee pain and having healthy knees.